Hello and welcome. It's been a long time since I talked about the house I bought in the region. Actually, it's called Behind the Mountains. That's where I am now, behind the mountains. Blooming gorgeous. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on the house. It's coming along. So we bought the house on the 30th of October of last year, and we were sort of unable to inhabit the house, so to speak, for a couple of months after. Still had to get plumbing done, also the windows, and that's all been done. So we've been able to go and actually spend weekends at the house for the last couple of months. It's looking all right, some parts are still looking very sorry for themselves, but easy does it. The whole idea behind this project is to enjoy it. It's going to take as long as it takes. We're in no rush. And yeah, things are coming together slowly, but they're coming together. The house is becoming more and more welcoming, so to speak. And then there's the other good thing about Behind the Mountains. And if I can show you. So yeah, it's the roads. I was going to say they're empty, and I just nearly crashed because I was fiddling with the camera. Stupid me. It's my own stupid fault. No one told me to do that, did they? But yeah, the landscape is utterly amazing, and the roads are narrow, but they're usually empty, put it that way. And they are rather nice to navigate inside a car. Again, I keep telling everyone, it's not my thing. You know, the twisty road, going around, hooning it, all that stuff. It isn't. But this is definitely a good place for that. Oh my God, look at me, I'm hooning it. Me of all people. But yeah, you probably can't tell from the camera, but there's a dark sky at the bottom. It's going to rain. It's going to rain hard. And I was actually going to come out for a drive earlier, but I had a tradesman over to give me a quote for some drywall for our new bathroom. And that took longer than I thought, unfortunately. Whee! Also, I can do this because my wife isn't here. God, she'd kill me if I tried this. Well, she'd kill me if she knew. That's the whole point of me being alone. Yeah, you could probably tell if you're actually watching, I'm not very good at this. But I don't mind. It's not really my thing anyway. I prefer to look at the landscape. So yeah, unfortunately the light isn't good for this. But anyway, did my best. And this is all I'm going to be able to muster, because I've got stuff to do tomorrow. And the weather's been crap the whole time I've been here. This has been the first day where there have been spells where it hasn't rained. Look at that. That's a proper pickup truck. Do you see that? That pickup truck was about 35, 40 years old. Still going. It's got a wooden crate on the back that serves as its pickup bed. And it works. Not like those ridiculous things Americans have. That's a proper pickup truck. Pickup truck. Yeah. It's the first time I've ever been down this road, so we're discovering it together. Yeah, coming to a town, a village. So, that's it for today. Don't think things are going to change that much in terms of landscape. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you didn't think this was absolute rubbish. If you didn't, please leave a like. please subscribe, all of that stuff. I hope to see you in a future video. I bid you farewell. And it's starting to rain.